Kid Zone with Trishy. Magical creatures. Unicorn leaves a sparkly trail, showing off her shimmery tail. Witch loves her slimy green hair. Ogre may give you a scare. Phoenix bursts into flames red and hot. Goblin loves treasure and steals a lot. Mermaid sunbathes happy and free. Poseidon is the king of the sea. Fairies twirl and flutter their wings. Leprechaun is known for the joy he brings. Yeti lives in a palace of snow. Wizard twirls his wand to make it glow. Giant is as big as can be. Gnome doesn't even come up to his knee. Loch Ness Monster is hard to find. Cupid is caring, loving, and kind. Dragon can swoop and soar for days, lighting up the sky with a fiery blaze. The end.